Okay, folks, looking at some basic worded money problem questions that may appear on a typical GCSE Maths 9 to 1, okay, foundation tier, functional skills 11 plus maths, 13 plus maths, common entrance exams, and also key stage 2 maths. Okay, so this is question 1. Bill buys 3 melons at £1.09 each, or 109 pennies, 109 pence. Okay, part A, how much does he spend? So £1.09. I'm going to multiply that by 3. So £1.09 times by 3. Okay, so 3 times 9 is going to be 27. So 7, carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus that 2 makes 2. The decimal point obviously lines up here. 3 times 1 is 3. So he spends £3.27 in total. Part B, how much change does he get from a £5 note or £5? Okay, so I'm going to do 5.00. Okay, subtract or minus or take away £3.27. Okay, because I'm working out how much is obviously left over once he's paid his expenditure or his expense. Okay, working from the right to the left. 0 take away 7 I can't do. Okay, that's obviously going to be 0, so I need to borrow here from the next non-zero number. That's going to become a 4. That's now going to become a 10. I'm going to borrow from that to make that a 9. That becomes a 10. 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 2 is 7. The decimal points line up. 4 take away 3 is 1. So my answer is £1.73. And that's how much change he gets, okay, or she gets from spending 3 melons at £1.09 each with a £5 note, okay, or £5 in coins. Question number 2. Jenny is taking her family to the cinema. Jenny pays for 1 adult and 3 children. How much does she spend? So we'll have 1 adult, which is £6.50, and then 3 children, so that'll be 3 times 4, which is 12. So I've got £6.50 plus £12, because 4 plus 4 plus 4 makes 12. Okay, so I'm doing some addition here. So I'm going to add, okay, working from the right to the left. 0 plus 0 makes 0. 5 plus 0 makes 5. The decimal points line up. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then that 1 drops down, okay, because I've got 0 tens from the adult ticket price. So in total she spends £18.50, which in my eyes, isn't too bad of a price. Of course, right now in this current economic climate, things are a lot more pricier than that. Okay, but that's not bad, for one adult, and 3 children, or 3 kids. Part B, how much change does she get from £20? Well, £20 minus £18.50, you get £1.50, okay? Because 20 minus 18 is 2. And then minus that 0.5, you get 1.5, or £1.50, or 150 pennies. Question number 3. Bob is paid £7 per hour. Part A. Last Monday, Bob worked for 8 hours. Work out his pay for the day. So it's 7 times 8, so 7 lots of 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. So he gets paid £56 for a day at work, okay? Part B, yesterday Bob was paid £42. Work out how many hours Bob worked. We're going to do £42 divided by £7, okay? So how many times does 7 go into 42? Well, it actually goes in 6 times fully. Okay, so it's going to be 6. So Bob worked 6 hours, okay, based on, this question, okay, and this information yesterday, okay, to earn £42, okay. So so his pay rate was £7 per hour. Okay, he was paid £42. So from 7 to 42, I times it by 6. So that means that he must have worked 6 hours for him to have been paid or received £42 in income. Okay, thank you.